In this video clip, we learn one-tail hypothesis tests. In many cases, the alternative hypothesis H1 focuses on one particular direction. For example, here we have H0 mu greater than or equal to 3 and H1 mu less than 3. This is a lower tail test, since the alternative hypothesis is focused on the lower tail below the mean of 3. Similarly, we may have an upper tail test. In a lower tail test, there is only one critical value since the rejection area is only in one tail. Assuming a z-test, then we can use norm as IMV to locate the critical value. So here, the value will be negative. Similarly, we may have an upper tail test. There is again only one critical value, since the rejection region is only in the upper tail. Here we use norm as IMV 1 minus alpha to locate the critical value here. This value is positive. So here we see an example. A manager thinks that customer monthly cell phone bills have increased and now average more than $52 per month. The company wishes to test the claim. Past records show that the population standard deviation is about $10. So here we have H0 mu less than equal to 52, H1 mu greater than 52. And we suppose alpha equals 0.1, and we have a sample with sample size 64, sample mean 53.1, and we can use p-stat to obtain the following result, where we do not reject the null hypothesis because p-value is larger than alpha. We can solve the problem in p-stat as follows. So we go to p-stat, go to one sample tests, z-test for the mean sigma known. Null hypothesis is 52. Be careful, this is an upper tail test. More than in H1. So the tail direction is determined by H1. Okay, level of significance 0.1. Population standard deviation 10. Sample size, we have 64. Sample mean, we have 53.1. And we click OK. We obtain the result.